This video provides instruction on how to balance your most preferred attribute groups. We assign participants to their most preferred attribute or a thinking preference for the vacation activity in the meeting of the minds. Balancing the groups helps maintain confidentiality and gives each group a relatively equal number of people. As a reminder, this is how you generate an MPA report from the Emergenetics Plus site. You'll click on the Reports tab and then find your group or project. Scroll down to the most preferred attribute report, click on Generate Reports, and it'll show up at the top of your page. When you click on it, it downloads as a Word document to your laptop or computer. This is an example of an MPA report. What we see here is that there are less people in structure and conceptual than there are in analytical and social. So our goal will be to move some people from either analytical or social into the structural and conceptual groups. To do this, reference the group's thinking spectrum and highlight the participants who are in the larger groups. The larger groups in this scenario are analytical and social. So I'll highlight those here. Of these candidates, identify those that share thinking preferences with the smaller groups. In this scenario, we're looking for people that have structure or conceptual. Remember, you can use the preference formula to identify what each participant's preference is. So here are the people that have a structural preference and the people that have a conceptual preference. Finally, of the participants identified in step 4, select candidates to move to the smaller groups. In this scenario, the best choice for conceptual would be to move Captain Hook because his analytical and conceptual percentile scores are closest to one another. And we'll move Denise Evans to structural because her structural and social percentile scores are closest to one another. From here, you'll move the participants into their new groups. So Captain Hook goes into conceptual, and Denise Evans is now in structure. And here is what the balance group looks like, and it's now ready to be inserted into the Meeting of the Minds slide deck.